that hose I have fits his radiator. Fits you.
Talk about women that way on camera.
Yeah, you can't talk about the hose.
Politically correct, fight that. Welcome to 2019.
Yeah. Yeah, they're nice ladies now. You can't say that. This guy.
Yeah, you can't assume genders. 2019.
Yeah, I can't show nipples either. Somebody else I know tried doing that at River Run last time. Not that I'm like a Trump supporter. I'm not gonna say that I am or I'm not, but all I'm saying is that meme where he's dick.
Dick. Boy, dude, the paint looks good.
I kind of want to see what those Zillas will look like on his.
What Zillas? Your Zillas? Yeah, he's getting 30s. And he wouldn't even trade you tires.
I gotta keep my wheels.
Oh, that's right.
After I get them, I kind of want to see what they look like.
Dude! I'm excited.
Slim thick.
She looks good. Dude, I like this drift stitch. I think that's so dope.
Oh, snap.
Every time you drop the F-bomb, you follow up with more cuss words.
It's like,
Dang it.
word.
Yeah, Aaron said he really liked it too. I don't know if he was just like...
Dude, I genuinely...
Like it.
Right there. That is beauty.
But yeah, so today...
What are we doing today?
Let's go check out the parts. Let's go in here. Let's do best.
This right here is what we plan on doing today, if you want to unbox that. I opened it already, but just make sure everything was there. Information! Just kidding.
That's where I live. What is that?
That is a bracket lift for a Kawasaki Brute Force.
Or a Saki.
Saki one time.
Here, there's a picture. Oh no, it's just their facility. Wow! Thank you for purchasing a Highlifter lift kit. We're making my four-wheeler that I've never rode.
Bigger, louder, badder.
Yeah, we're just gonna plot twist. Next episode, we're chopping the mufflers off.
Are we?
No.
Oh, dang. 4 holes are on the front.
Dude,
which...
I love this gray. It looks so good.
Oh, by the way, the underside of the fenders?
We're done the same way.
No, they're black. We did black because I knew you're gonna have rock lights and didn't want green underneath there. Attention to detail, fam. It might be a four-wheeler, but I built
San Antonio
stuff. I built stuff like it's like I'm aiming for SEMA. I mean, SEMA wouldn't have runs in the paint, so that's also my bad.
Hey, these are perfect right now. I'm excited.
All right, let's get this thing in the air and let's get going.
I feel like you could definitely still sit right behind me.
Be back shortly.
So we've got this jacked up now.
Yeah. I was hoping I was gonna freaking back out.
Fighting flames of fire, hang on to burning wires. We don't care anymore. Are we fading lovers? We keep wasting colors. Maybe we should let this go.
Right, I was over here looking at these and I'm like, no. Yeah, no, you're right.
And so yeah, so before how we had it was flipped.
We were giving it a lowering.
We were giving it a lowering, or it was staying about where it was.
I think you were about to get a 2-inch lowering kit. We're about to be freaking scraping the beaches of River Run.
Highline pimping.
Highline scraping.
Highline scraping. But now
Just lower
it's
and put some 30s on it and call it a day.
So essentially, what this kit does is it changes the mounting
Geometry.
points. Geometry. I like that word. I like that. From here, where is the stock point, down, and I mean it doesn't look like that much, but it's about maybe a quarter of an inch, half an inch, give or take.
I don't think the front is really the difference maker. It's more or less the rear.
So we'll get to that when we get there, but we got the front for the most part done. A little bracket lift.
We've fallen apart, still we hold together. We've passed the end, still we chase forever. Guess this is all we know. feelings all we know. Guess this is all we
So, thanks to the Dakota Clayton.
I did something right.
It's fine. It's finally time he jumps in.
He jumped
I did
in.
something right
He
for
knocked out the lift on
Look
this.
at that lift though.
Look at it. It's just good.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but that freaking
Clearance, man.
It may not look like much on camera, but this little gap right here, that's where we gained it all.
It looks real good.
And now the tires are too small for it. So I got.
we didn't know that was gonna happen.
What?
This guy didn't know it was gonna happen.
So now we got to get new tires for it, because if we're spending all this money, why not spend more?
It's just a money tree.
It's just a
grows.
money tree.
It's just
Bills
money.
and bills. I mean,
It's just money, right?
But
you're on the home stretch, buddy.
home stretch. So you can see the bracket's nice and tucked up under there. Justin added a nice little flare to the back, and this is normally supposed to be in a gold, but it's in this. You really can't.
Take the front off and paint it.
This is a beautiful. No, you can't see it.
Okay.
This is
back
like
you
this
can clearly see. I know
back
you can.
black sparkly, same kind of paint that we use on the rack, and it may not show up on camera, but in the sunlight it just looks good. And Justin was like, no, you obviously see that, so we got to paint it. And it was a great choice because it looks fantastic. But we accomplished our one task today, which is really weird for Texas Made Chop Shop to actually complete.
Start something and finish it same day.
Same day,
Is that where
yeah.
you were going with?
Yeah. So, wow. I'm proud of you boys.
Us. We did this as a team.
I really didn't do much. I stood here and drank beer.
You bought the beer, and I coached him. So
And he handed tools, so.
yeah, full circle.
Well, I'm going to take all the credit now. I did this whole lift by
Clap
myself.
hands on camera.
These,
I don't know if you got that there.
the triangle. The triangle. Oh, yeah. So, we knocked that out today. We wanted to install a 2-inch lift on this Kawasaki brute force, and we did it. Way to go, team. You guys are the stars of the show.
Touch fingers.
ET phone home.
We won the camera.
Yeah.
We went through shout out Lewis Power Sports, Greenville, Texas. They had a freebie Friday. Post a picture up. The most likes win. We won, but it was no. It was not going to be capable or possible, I should say, without. I'm pulling up screenshots real quick. If I could find my photos. Sorry, my other phone that I'm used to is broken because I broke it. And
What did you do to break your phone?
I don't know how to work a charging port.
I feel that.
Okay, you ready? This is gonna take a minute, but I said in my video, everybody who went and liked this to help us win that guy, I was gonna literally in our next video give thanks to. So, assuming you're ready behind the camera, we're gonna go through all, I think 79 of them.
Oh,
It was
shit.
75.
78, somewhere in that number. So,
70-ish.
James Largent, Alex Alexander, Sound Factory / Nick DeWall, Naomi Carson, his wife, Eder, sorry if I mispronounce names, Maharis, Shaylin Irvin Higgins, Esteban Davis, JoJo Horton of 1885 Barbershop, Jordan Tyler Payton and Rockwall, Sean Hart, Slim, Blake Benson, go check his channel on YouTube, Mackenzie Davis, Esteban's wife, father-in-law Michael Cummins, Ash Knight, Larry Stovall, Hickory Lowe, Ayo, Lauren Duarte, Michelle Karen Singer of Garland, Philip Southamavong, that sound familiar?
Nope.
Cody Phillips, Caitlin, Mary. Gary Nicholson, Clayton Norton, Michael Shea, Dakota Clayton.
Shout out.
The Cody Bland, Rachel Linhart, Gustavo Reyes, Brian South. Why didn't he put his full last name? Carlton Griffiths, the 4th. Laren Carson, Jennifer Merrifield, Nathan Hoffman, Holly Griffin, my beautiful wife Mandy Davis, Basilio, or otherwise known as BJ, Alan Southamavong.
Who's that? What a loser!
Jeff Barron, my beautiful mother, Lisa Davis, Cesar Gomez, Steve Dykes, James Merrifield, thank you Samuel Powell, Blake Habison, thank you to Chase Hoffman, Michael Stevens, Aaron Rector, who also was trying to challenge us, my mother-in-law, wonderful mother-in-law, Renee Cummings, Casey Merrifield, James Merrifield's wife, Brian Reeves, Brenda Davila, Angie Gomez, Michael Holder of 1885, Trey Phillips of 1885, Lee Lovelace, loyal customer of 1885, Leslie Gomez, Christina Marie Durham, Cody Roach, Jody Prisbilski, Andrew Lopez, David Ramirez, Eduardo Santana, Greg Shackford, Anna Mae, Ned Rao, Travis Brown, Stephanie Hausman, Christy Prisbilski Griffiths, Natalie Scholes Young, Shelly Freeman, Michaud, oh man, I'm murdering these names. Angie Hausman, Natalie Scholes Young, I said that name. Elizabeth Stewart, JC Jackson, Robin Shipley Smart, Kelly Tyler, Ashley Baker, Lewis Power Sports liked the photo. They liked everybody's though. But still, thank you. And I think that's last but least. So yeah, 70 something people went through. And like I said, y'all were kind enough to take your time to go and like the photo and help us get this guy so we can start getting better footage out on the trail so we're not tearing up cameras.
Yikes.
But yeah, they had a Freebie Friday. Everybody went and liked that, so we do definitely appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. We got it.
Insert round of applause here. Yay!
Now since